to the video, first of all. My girlfriend and I went to a place called Harbour Town here in Australia on the Gold Coast. Basically what it is it's just a massive shopping center. Just every store is an outlet store. So everything is like cut down prices of what like a normal shopping center would be. And it's literally got every single store there. It's got like a Nike, an Adidas, a Platypus, a Hype. They've loads of different stores. Anyway, it's all an outlet store. So there's like hundreds of different shops with super good prices. So I hadn't been there before, and at the end of the video we'll get into everything that we bought and all the prices and everything like that. So let's get into it. Here's some footage from Harbour Town, so when we were actually there. Here. So let's get straight into it. We'll get into the clothes first. So cool, tapered. So I actually got to try these on and they fit super good. They're just kind of like a cheap little, cozy, wear them for the gym or wear them around the house. Awesome price. So they were $40. So originally $80 down to $40. So I was like, definitely gonna get me a pair of these. Just needed another pair of joggers. Just this pair of shorts. They're gonna be cool for the gym. It's like a fabric material, but it's really soft and it's really light, and it's just really it's really stretchy, so it's cool. Just a pair of Adidas shorts, just the classic 3 stripes, kind of like the joggers I got on. Just 3 stripes, all black, Climber Light. And these, again, off the final price, let's see how much. So these were $45 on sale, so then taking an extra 50% off of that. So we got some really good deals. And that's them, just plain Adidas, pretty casual. I got myself a pair of Stan socks, so I've got an Iron Man pair, and I got Cap, because you gotta represent Cap and Iron Man, my 2 favorite Avengers. Got to get them on. I think these are so sick. These are based off of the comic books. And now the shoes. So last but not least, if you've ever been into a Nike outlet or a Nike factory store or whatever, they do have these walls where they have all these shoes and it says take an extra 30% off or whatever. So that was the case when we went to this place. And I had never been to a Nike outlet, Adidas outlet or anything like that before, so I was super hyped. I was like looking around, I was like, oh my God, I love sales stuff. Like I love finding like deals and like finding things on sale. I think that's really exciting and it's fun. Anyway, super cool pair of shoes actually. These are the Nike Zoom Fly SP. But yeah, carbon fiber plate through the midsole of the shoe. So that's why it has this arch and you can't flex it. Like a normal shoe you'd be able to bend it over. This is very rigid and you feel that. So when I first tried them on, it was a bit of a learning curve because it feels like almost like you're rocking, and it's a bit strange getting used to that like rigid sole on the shoe. But I've worn them I think twice or once or twice now, and they're so comfortable. The retail price is $220. I got them for $70. So was down to 100 and then an extra 30%. So I'll show you what pair we got her. and it's the Night Jogger Triple Black. These worked out to be like $60 something, down from like 180. And considering this is like a newish model from Adidas, this is pretty like new. It's not a model that's been sitting around for ages, and it's, you know, it's what, it was released this year. And this is like a good colorway as well. It's not like an unpopular model by any means. The Night Jogger is a pretty cool shoe. Super nice leather suede material on it. A deconstructed, nice raw edge tongue, and again some nice materials on this pull tab here, on this tongue. There we go. And then the boost. So awesome steal there. $60, that is. But anyway, end of the video. Thank you for watching, and that is it. Iced tea.